Broadband connectivity is impacting every aspect of our lives in this rapidly changing world, from how we work to how we thrive economically and socially. Broadband services are no longer a luxury, but a requirement. And residents are looking for high-capacity, affordable, and reliable broadband services. However, fiber build-out is not always feasible and typically incurs high trenching costs and long deployment timelines.
We believe that everyone deserves high-capacity broadband, and unfortunately, fiber cannot reach every location. Therefore, Radwin, in collaboration with Facebook, is now introducing Terragraph. Terragraph is the world's most advanced mmWave mesh solution that can enable the delivery of multi-gig services wirelessly to every home.
Using an innovative 60 GHz self-organizing wireless mesh solution, residents can receive 1 gigabit and beyond to the home. Complementary to Metro Fiber, this low-cost and easy-to-deploy solution overcomes the limitations of other mmWave solutions, such as range and line-of-sight obstructions through flexible architecture capabilities. The scalable, self-organizing mesh architecture provides reliable connectivity that assures around-the-clock quality broadband service. So if you're looking to deliver high-capacity broadband to the home or enterprise with unlimited network reach, look no further. Terragraph by Radwin.